Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I come back with another video. In this video, you will get 40 plus free Udemy courses with free certification. Before getting started, if you are new on my channel, then subscribe to my channel for upcoming video. Also join my Telegram group for daily course update. In the previous video, I gave you 50 plus free Udemy courses with certification. I recommend you to watch this video. The link will be given in the description. So let's get started. The first course is Complete Python and Python OOP with exercise and project in 2021. In this course, you will learn Python IDEs, learn how to code in Python in simple and easy way, Python basic OOP from scratch, Python example and quiz, learn how to use implemented Python interpreter in Udemy, Python programmer basic from scratch in easy and simple by doing, Python advanced object oriented programming, project to master Python powerful skills and knowledge you will learn. This course is for the on-demand video, 16 article, 38 downloadable videos, full lifetime access, access on mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is Bootstrap from scratch, fast and responsive web development. In this course, you will create amazing high-quality Bootstrap 4 themes and UIs from scratch. Learn semantic HTML5 and modern CSS3 technique. Learn the Bootstrap 4 utility, class component, and JS widget with the online editor. Build a responsive website. This course will fire on-demand video, 4 article, 4 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, access on mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is WebGL, 2D, 3D programming, and graphic rendering for the web. In this course, you will learn WebGL programming, web programming, application programming, OpenGL programming, mobile development, cross-platform development, web development, semantic of general programming, the format of coding application, web design, all the features of WebGL and web development, JavaScript programming. This course is for an on-demand video, 1 article, full lifetime access, access on mobile and TV, and certification completion. Next course is the Ultimate CSS, best practice for animation and effect. In this course, you will learn source code from download is attached. Best way to learn CSS with real world example, how CSS work behind the scenes, the cascade, specify inheritance, etc. Latest and real-time example with 7x fast to write, tons of modern CSS technique to create stunning design and effect, use EMMT sort method to write coding to deliver fast. This course is 2.5 on-demand video, 7 article, 7 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, access on mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is Practical Cisco Network Labs in Cisco Packet Tracer. In this course, you will learn networking concept explained in simple way with many engaging exercises. This course is 12 on-demand video, 94 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, access on mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is SEO Complete Specialization course. In this course, you will learn SEO technique, organic marketing, Google search engine, technical SEO, content writing and marketing, off-page SEO, on-page optimization, social media marketing, keyword and computer researcher, lead generation. This course is 3.5 on-demand video, 1 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, access on mobile and TV, assignment and certification completion. The next course is Network Ethical Hacking for Beginner, Kali 2020 hands-on. In this course, you will learn how the hacker things, hack and secure a system like security expert, ethical hacking, Kali 2020 cyber security. This course is 3.5 on-demand video, 7 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, access on mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next is Exam MS 100 Microsoft 365 Identify and Service 2020. In this course, you will learn ultimate training program to pass MS 100 Microsoft 365 Identity and Service. Learn how to design and implement Microsoft 365 service, manage user identities, and role management, access and authentication and plan Office 365. This course will cover all the exam objectives, so you will be ready to give any question of the exam. This course is 6.5 on-demand video, full lifetime access, access on mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next is AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate. In this course will 5 practice tests, full lifetime access, access on mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next is Fundamental Question on Azure. This course will 3 practice tests, full lifetime access, access on mobile. The next is AWS Certified Data Analysis Special Practice Test 2021. This course uses practice tests, full lifetime access, Excel or mobile. The next course is Complete Python Bootcamp Deep Learning into Python Coding. In this course, you will learn master the basic syntax in Python programming, master the data types in Python programming, you will understand variable in Python programming, master the loop system in Python programming, you will understand operators in Python programming, you will understand file input output in Python programming, get the in-depth knowledge in use of OOP. This course is 9 on-demand video, 70 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, access on mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is Convolutional Neural Networking Python, CCN, Computer Vision. In this course, you will learn a solid understanding of CNN and deep learning, build to end-to-end project on image processing, learn usage of Keras and TensorFlow library, use ANN to make prediction, use Panda data frames to manipulate data and make statistical computation. These courses are on-demand video, 4 articles, full lifetime access, Excel, mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is Reverse Engineering and Memory Hacking with Cheat Engine. In this course, you will learn debug program with Cheat Engine, reverse engineer program, solve crack me challenge, DSM program into assembly code, setting breakpoints and static throw code, modify program behavior, hacking a patching process memory, code injection, writing tenors, Lua script to hack memory, assembly script to do white patching. This course is 2.5 hour on-demand video, 10 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, Excel, mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is Create a Member-Only Blog using PHP, MySQL, and Ajax. In this course, you will learn creating dynamic web page in PHP, creating a MySQL database to store member data, creating PHP and Ajax validate member registration form, creating PHP and Ajax validate member login authentication, login with session variable, login logout functionality, developing validated contact form for web to email transmission via SMTP, PHP mailer integration to facilitate email transmission, uploading the project from a local test bed to production server. This course includes 2 hour on-demand video, 1 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, Excel on mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is Complete Responsive Web Development, 4 courses in 1. In this course, you will learn be able to create responsive and user-friendly web page, proficient of HTML5, proficiency of CSS3. You will able to show an expert on HTML5 and CSS3 on the resume. You will master yourself in Bootstrap. You will master in jQuery. This course in 6 hour on-demand video, full lifetime access, Excel, mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is IP addressing and subnetting 0 to 0. In this course, you will learn IPv4, IP subnetting, FLSM, subnetting, VLSM, subnetting, summarizing. This course includes 2.5 hour on-demand video, 1 article, full lifetime access, Excel, mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is the Complete Facebook Traffic Ad Course 2021. In this course, you will push people to your website with Facebook traffic ads and master Facebook CPC ads. This course is 9 hour on-demand video, 14 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, Excel, mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is NGINX Apache SSL encryption certification course. In this course, you will learn install, configure, and secure NGINX and Apache on Ubuntu server using DigitalOcean and Let's Encrypt SSL. This course is 3.5 hour on-demand video, full lifetime access, Excel, mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is Introduction to Domain Name and Web Hosting Quick Guide. In this course, you will learn how to domain name works and types of web hosting for any web development project. This course is 1 hour on-demand video, full lifetime access, Excel, mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is set up a virtual web server using Lean Code and DigitalOcean. In this course, you will learn deploy, configure, and scale a production virtual web server on Linode or DigitalOcean, install LAMP, Stack, and more. This course will 2.5 hour on-demand video, full lifetime access, Excel, mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is Microsoft Excel for Finance, Accounting, and Financial Analysis. In this course, you will learn Excel tips and tricks for accounting, finance, and financial analysis, Learn from best-selling account instruction. This course in 2.5 on-demand video, 8 downloadable resources, full lifetime access on mobile and TV and subscription commission. The next course is Microsoft Excel, learn MS Excel for data analysis. In this course, you will learn how to Excel can be used for data analysis by creating Excel project, Excel app, other Excel tools. This course will file on-demand video, one article, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, and certification commission. The next course, Enter Export Digital Social Marketing 18 course in one. In this course, we will learn digital and social media marketing strategy, SEO, Google Ads, Facebook Ads with focus on global online trade and export. The next course is Skillshare Course Marketing. In this course, you will learn option for marketing, Skillshare course. This course is taught in English. This course includes 2.5 on-demand video, 2 articles, 3 downloadable resources, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, and certification commission. The next course is Scrum Fundamental for Scrum Master and LG Project 2020. This course you will learn understanding the Scrum framework, getting into a slew of Scrum team, and understanding what their role is, all about Scrum events, sprint planning, daily Scrum, sprint review, sprint retrospective, the 3 Scrum artifacts, product backlog, sprint backlog, and increment. Advantage and disadvantage of Scrum, understanding and creating once down chart, understanding what a minimum viable product is all about, calculating team velocity, creating into estimate, understanding various estimate techniques, finance equity, sizing, planning, poker, etc. These courses are on-demand video, 2 articles, 1 downloadable resource, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, and certificate commission. The next course is Adobe Photoshop CC Fundamental and Essential Training. In this course, you will learn Photoshop layer, image, color, adjustment, correctness, fixing, retouching, text style, shape, symbol, content awareness. In this course, you will 8 hour on-demand video, 3 articles, 2 downloadable resources, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, and certification commission. The next course is Enterprise 60-day Startup Launch Blueprint. In this course, you will learn Enterprise Fundamental, discover, validate, and profitably launch your startup idea under 16 days. This course is 4 hour on-demand video, 23 downloadable resources, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, and certification commission. The next course is Essential Non-Technical Skills for Effective Data Scientists. In this course, you will learn non-technical skills required for data scientist role, way to improve your productivity as a data scientist, focus area on work upon while applying for a data scientist role, soft skill that you must have in any job role. This course in 33 minutes on-demand video, 1 article, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, and certification commission. The next course is Business and Technical Writing Immersion. In this course, you will learn to able to compose clear, concise communication. You will able to improve the readability of your documents. You will able to be better organize your ideas and thoughts. You will able to create more effective emails. You will able to increase the speed and productivity of digital, written, and oral communication. This course in 4.5 on-demand video, 66 downloadable resources, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, and certification commission. The next course is Online Freelancing Job and Businesses. In this course, you will start your freelancing jobs or business at your home, how to be freelancer and get clients from Google, from global marketplace, 5 advantages of working as a freelancer, time management tips for freelancer, 5 reasons why should you find a niche. This course is 2 hour on-demand video, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, and certification commission. The next course is How to be a greatest salesmanship, develop sales and life skill. In this course, you will learn developing important personalities, traits and skills to the principle that lead to success in sales, businesses and life. This course in 1 hour on-demand video, 1 downloadable resources, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, and certification commission. The next course is Critical Thinking and Reasoning Skills. In this course, you will learn left, right, and whole brain thinking, understand the critical thinking process, learn the listen activity, the monos thinking head in detail. This course in 1 hour on-demand video, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, and certification commission. The next course is the first step into public speaking. In this course, you will learn the art of conversation, redesign yourself a first style, how to control your jitters, learn body language, This course includes 42 minutes of on-demand video, full lifetime access, access on mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is time management and productivity for effective time management. In this course, you will learn how to explore your productivity and get more done in one day than others do in 1 week, how to become an excellent time manager and gain a some reputation professionally, how to use simple technique to do twice the work for half the efforts, how to get the right of distraction so you can focus on top priority, what is the most successful people do so you outperform your competition, how to organize a project for maximum productivity and flawless time management. This course is 1.5 hour demand video, 2 articles, 32 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, excellent mobile and TV, and certification commission. The next course is Introduction to the Basic of Melt and Pure Soap. This course is learning and understanding these types of soap will give strong knowledge of base and create a soap with unique ideas. This course in 2.5 hour divided video, 1 article, 1 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, excellent mobile TV, and certification completion. The next course is Analog Electronic Circuit Design in Simple Word. In this course, you will learn how electric components behind they have a strong intuition in understanding electronic circuit design, analysis electronic circuit very quickly, understanding the fundamental concept in electronic circuit design. This course is 1.5 hour on-demand video, full lifetime access, excellent mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is Complete Korean course, learn Korean language, beginner level 1. In this course, you will learn 400 plus more useful vocabulary words, top most useful phrase you can use in everyday situation, proper Korean pronunciation, read and write in Korean, easily order food and drink, pronounce words correctly without hearing them first, greet people, and introduce yourself both formally and casually, the building blocks of Korean grammar. This course includes 11.5 hour on-demand video, full lifetime access, excellent mobile and TV, and certification completion. All the course links are given in the description. If you have any doubt or query, then comment below. Share this video to friends and family members because they can also get the benefit of the course. Thank you.